In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3255 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus from your computers. Include Windows real-time protection and the temper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is for resetting process run smoothly. After that, you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the resetter file, you can just right click on the file and select extract all and click extract button here. After that, open the resetter folder and you need to run the adjustment program files. For the first time use, you need to type a password that you can view on the password.txt file disk. And then double click on adjustment programs. For the next step, choose select button and select model name to L3255 printer. Okay, and you can click OK. After that, click particular adjustment mode button here and choose was ink pad counter and click OK. Tick main pad counter option, platen pad counter option, and ink system pad counter options. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialize button. If the resetting works successfully, you can turn off your printer, then you can turn back on your printer again. Of course, you can close the resetter after that. But in any case you face error here, you can try to moving your USB printer cable into another port available on your computers. Then you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L3255 printers using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments comment below. And thanks for watching. Hope this video helpful for you.